In this video, I will be showing you how to change your Facebook password. So let's get started. First thing, just come into the home interface of Facebook app. To the leftmost top, you'll be having the three lines icon. Click it, and here if you scroll down, we'll be having settings and privacy option. Just expand it and click on settings. In settings, we will be having accounts center. Select that, and here we will be having password and security. Click that. Just click on change password under login and recovery. Here select the account which you want to make change. We will be getting an interface where we need to enter our current password, then type our new password. After that, in case if you want to log out of the other devices, you can simply check this and click on change password. So once you are done typing, just click on change password, and that's it. We'll be getting your password has been changed. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.